Welcome to this tutorial. In this session, we'll show you how to set up and manage bed types, a simple way to define the different beds your hospital offers and what each one costs, so your billing stays accurate and consistent. Let's get started. From the sidebar, search for the Hospital Management module and click to open it. Next, scroll down and click System Setup to reach your hospital's configuration settings. From here, click Bed Types to open the page where all your bed types are listed and managed. To create a new bed type, click here. In the form that opens, start by entering the bed size or its specifications. Use whatever naming fits how your hospital categorizes its beds. In this case, we would use custom bed size. Next, set the base charge for this bed type. Getting your pricing right here means it carries through automatically every time this bed is assigned. Then mark the bed type as active so it's available for use across the system. Once everything looks good, click Create to save it. This takes you back to the hospital bed type page, where you can see that the bed type has been successfully added. To update a bed type later, click here to open its details. From here, you can edit anything about the bed type, the base charge, or any other setting. Keeping your charges up to date helps your billing reflect real costs as they change. You can also switch a bed type to inactive whenever it's retired or no longer offered, so it won't show as available. Then click Update to save after you are done making the edit. And just like that, your bed type details are current. And that's a wrap on bed types. You've just learned how to create a new bed type, set its size and base charge, and update its status when things change. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next tutorial as we continue setting up your hospital management system.